To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, navigate to your profile page. Then, tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Edit Your About Info. Scroll down again and find the Life Events section. Then tap Add Life Event. On the next screen, tap the Create button. Next, select the category you want to add as a life event from the available options. Now, enter a title, or select the option that best suits you. Now, fill in the details, including the title, location, date, and a short description. You can also tag friends, and add photos or videos to make it more personal. When finished, tap Next in the top right corner. Before posting, make sure to adjust your privacy settings to choose who can see your life event. Finally, tap Share. And your life event will appear on your timeline as well as in the life events section of your profile. You can create more life events whenever you want. So that's how you can add life events on your Facebook profile.